Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Anyway, no, whatever. Anyway, y'all, I'm just going to. I'm I'm trying to edit this video, and they're telling me that the sound I don't sound right. It sound like I'm like close up with the microphone. I don't know. I already did the video, so y'all comment down below and let me know if I sound like too close up. I don't know what's wrong. I didn't have the mic already before. I don't know. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? I'm still gonna post it. So if I sound like muffled or too close up, I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta tweak it, figure out if I'm like the volume is too high. There's no volume on the mic. What y'all say it sound like? Like muffled, like it just too close. That's about it. They say it sound like I'm too. Do it sound like I'm too close, y'all? Comment down below. I'm just saying to them. Comment down below, y'all. Let me know if I sound too close. I'm going to post it anyway. I'm about to post it anyway. Here we go. I have a new microphone. Baby, this is my third one. But I don't know, because when I put my microphone on, and I don't know, the port that goes into my phone, I don't know. I put it in my pocket one time, and it just broke off with what goes into the phone, the little clip part. And I had the microphones and everything. Still, yeah, I got a new microphone, the same one I had before. But I did order the microphone. I had to send back because it wasn't compatible to my iPhone. This is the microphone. Can y'all hear me? Hold on, let me see if y'all can hear me. Yeah, baby, y'all can hear me. I sound so good, baby. I sound, because I was still doing my videos, y'all, without the microphone on. Because I had to push out some videos, y'all. But I'm like, you know what? I got to give the people some sound, some clear sound. And then I'm working on a camera, a vlogging camera. Those are so expensive. But right now I got my little iPhone, but I do have the microphones. I had to come on in here, do this video on this Sunday, and let y'all know I'm sounding a little bit better. Tap the like button for me, y'all. Comment down below and tell me how the volume sound. Tell me how the volume sound. But anyway, I just wanted to jump on here for that, and then tell y'all too. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? You see that, Kiki? Anyway, this is my grandma's. We went to my grandmother's 95th birthday celebration yesterday. We celebrated her, y'all. 95 years old. Looks so beautiful. Do you hear me? But she had a silent auction, or they had a silent auction for her. And these are all the things that she like did. What is the name of that place that the older people go to? Community center for the older people, what have y'all. I forget the name of it. Anyway, she go there. My auntie, she take her to mingle with other people. They do arts and crafts and sewing and different things and cooking and what have you. But yeah, she had I think it was 3 or 4 paintings. It was a carrot, and I forgot the other ones, but I focus on these carrots, y'all. And I saw some people bidding like $5, $6, and baby, I bid at $30. I'm like, I want this to put in my kitchen, and all the proceeds, of course, went to her. It was just a fun little event. But baby, I'm gonna put some little clips of pictures at the end, so y'all watch to the end, so y'all can see the pictures of my grandma's 95th birthday party. It was so beautiful. I enjoyed every single moment. That's my dad's mom. Beautiful, beautiful. And I was asked to do the welcome. So yeah. But yeah, it was a nice event. And then we stayed over. Hubby and I, it was just me and him. We stayed over at a hotel, and yeah, enjoyed ourselves. So yeah, today is Sunday. It was yesterday, Saturday, but today is Sunday. And I guess that's about it that I wanted to do a video on because I'm about to do some little ins and outs in the home and maybe, no, I got to do some laundry. That's what I got to do. Hold on. So we're heading downstairs so I can do some laundry, y'all. I was going to do some work in daycare, but I don't feel like it. I thought I had ran out of laundry detergent. That's why. So let me put y'all in here with me. So anyway, y'all in the laundry room with me. It may be kind of dark in here. It is dark. It is dark. They gotta come and fix this darn light up in the ceiling. But yeah, y'all, I am so excited about my little uh microphone. I'm not cooking today. Hubby and I, while we was at the hotel, thought of this little wonderful idea to uh, have breakfast today. Just me and him, and we're going out to eat tonight. Okay, that on. I'm just trying to do a little bit of content, y'all, for y'all. It's not nothing spectacular, but I just wanted to do a little bit of content. That's all. They say everything content, right? Everything content. Yeah. Woo. Feeling stuff. I use Gain. I used to use Tide, but Gain been kind of cheaper. Okay. Me and Kabaya, we actually drink smoothies. And my phone is about to go out, but I didn't realize I bought all this fruit. Come on, you could mix this with that. You don't like the bananas?
I do.
You could mix the strawberries with the bananas.